Jerome Dewald, the guy who was the subject of that judge's ire. Welcome to the program. It's really good to meet you. First of all, I said props to you, but I really shouldn't have, because I've always counseled our audience, never represent yourself in court. I know it's something you've done before. Why did you decide to use an AI-generated avatar to speak for you?
Well, there's a couple of reasons. I had throat cancer 25 years ago, and so my throat tends to give out over a period of time. A conversation is one thing, but talking for a long time, I start hacking and coughing, and it's difficult. Articulation is kind of difficult also. And then there's the pressure and the intimidation that a pro se feels in the courtroom by himself.
I think they gave you, what, 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes for your argument?
That's right. I got advance approval for the to use the video. I had intended to use a replica of myself, an avatar of myself, but I had some technical difficulties getting it completed. It was the first time I ever tried it. It's a very, very new technology, and I couldn't get it completed by the time of the hearing, so I had to go with James, who you see there is much more handsome than I am.
Yes, James came off very handsome and debonair for the 5 seconds that the judge allowed it to play. But then, man, she went off on you. Did you expect to have that reaction from that appellate judge?
No. I did kind of expect that the panel would be surprised, but I didn't really expect quite so vehement a reaction.
And has it cost you in any way? Like, did they admonish you, or did your case suffer in any way because of this?
Well, it's a little early to say. I don't think so. I trust that the panel would not be influenced by this too much. I noticed that the presiding justice, who was the one who shut the TV off, later when I was giving the argument, she acted as though she was maybe felt she had been a little bit harsh with me. So she was being a little, she was being encouraging to me, shall we say. And I did send in a letter of apology. And I did, I got this all approved in advance. So so far, everything seems to be all right.
Sort of weird that she was the one who said, I was the one who approved this, and I don't know about this, and you should have told me, almost as though maybe she hadn't read through the whole submission, or it's such new science that she didn't really understand what was coming. I am sort of curious, you said you wanted to avatar yourself, so it would have been you speaking words that you had written, like you'd literally written the brief, and you would have had yourself as the avatar speaking eloquently and perfectly without ums, ahs, and the difficulties that you've had with throat cancer, and you would have made it all within the 5 minutes. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. If you watch through the rest of the video, you'll see I followed the script pretty closely, but I did stumble over some things, and I didn't get to the ending. She said at the end, it's the end of your time. You can come back on rebuttal and finish it.
Can I just ask, she said, I'm not going to let you use this courtroom to launch your business. This isn't your business, is it? I mean, it seems to me you used a service to do the avatar. Was she mistaken?
Yeah, it's an innocent mistake, I think, but I'm not really promoting a business at all.
I didn't think so. Well, listen, she should apologize to you, I think, for that, but I'm not sure you get that out of an appellate judge. Keep us posted on how the case goes, Jerome. I really appreciate you talking to me tonight. Thanks for this.
We'll know something in about 4 weeks.
Okay, well, we'll keep an eye, and I also learned something, so I was really enjoying doing the research on this case, and congratulations to you. I mean, you're way ahead of the game. I appreciate you bringing it to the show. Thanks, Jerome.
Thank you.
Is it ever, and terrifying all at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.